Modifying imported tables. In the last few chapters, we have learned the most commonly used import features. The main reason for importing is to modify the data from Access itself. There may be some errors due to incorrect data present in the source. There might be a need to include a primary key to the table in case you have not defined one during the import. Or still, you may need to add a few more columns to the already imported table and update it with necessary data, or even change the data type of the existing columns. All of these are possible from within Access using the techniques that we have been discussing until now. The unit Modifying Database explains this in full detail. With this, we have covered most of the import activity. There is one small lesson left in this unit, linking files, that we are going to cover next. Working with queries. In the last few lessons, you have learnt on how to define data storage. You have learned to create tables with valid field names and data types. Now let us explore the world of queries. Queries can be used for data retrieval and data manipulation. In the forthcoming lessons, you will be familiarizing yourself with data retrieval queries or simply the select query. Action queries, or those which manipulate data, will be dealt with separately. When you define and run a select query, which selects information from the tables and queries in your database, Microsoft Office Access 2007 creates a record set of the selected data. In most cases, you can work with a record set in the same way that you work with a table. You can browse through it, select information from it, print it, and even update the data in it. But unlike a real table, a record set doesn't actually exist in your database. Office Access 2007 creates a record set from the data in the source tables of your query at the time you run the query. Queries are the best way to focus on the specific data you need for the task at hand. Access 2007 provides easy and simple wizards as well as a designer to create both simple and complex queries. Once you define and save queries, they are available in the navigation pane for future modification. Now, let us explore the world of queries.